Hi loves, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Bidian. Happy New Year, and I wish you all a prosperous 2021. This year 2021, thank God we made it. We made it, babe. We made it to 2021. What a great year 2020 was. But this will be a greater year for us all. Yeah, today's speech is just a speech. It's not going to be tutorial. We're not starting tutorial. It's going to be just going to be speech to inspire somebody. I just want to inspire somebody today. And please, before I start, continue to obtain your social distancing, wear masks, wash your hands, and respect others by protecting yourself. While you protecting yourself, you're protecting others too. Please do that for yourself, for your family. People are dying. People are dying. It's so sad. Please, it's real. This is real. Please protect yourself. The reason for this tutorial, the reason for this video is just to inspire you. What is your New Year resolution? What is your New Year resolution? Have you written it? What are those things? What goals have you set for yourself this year, 2021? What are those new things you feel you want to do? If you have your resolution, if you have written it, be inspired by it. Let something inspire you. What is that thing you like most? What is that thing that you love doing? Let it inspire you. Every day, look at it. Take it one after the other. You can do it. You can. Face your fear. Face your fear. Try to face your fear. It's not easy to start. I know. I have been there. I have said it. I have procrastinated like you don't want to know. But here I am today. I decided to face my fear, and I know I have something to offer, so let me just bring it on. Just try to look at what is that thing. This is 2021. This is a new year, and this is January. You have to start now. Have something. What is that thing you want to do? What is that thing that you love doing? What is that thing? If you are the type that has been procrastinating on starting a YouTube page, I know the reason why you're watching this video, one of the reasons why might be because you want to start your YouTube page, but something keeps pushing you back, and something keeps discouraging you. I've been there. I've been there. You want to start, but the fear is too much. How am I supposed to do it? How am I going to start? How do I do it? We make mistake, we fall, we rise, start before you even start. Just post something. Just post something, Just start before you start. And gradually you get there. I'm in your shoes. I've been in your shoes too. I've been in your shoes. I've procrastinated, but I was like, man, I have to start. And 2020, I decided December, I said, I'm going to start. Then I started. Here I am right now talking to you. And you're still procrastinating. You still don't know if you can start. You still thinking of what to start. Do anything, even with your phone, your camera, your smartphone. Put it there. Just say something. Start, and look, start saying something. Before you know it, just post. Keep posting it. Before you know, you start developing, you start having clarity of what you want to do, of what kind of niche do you want to do, of what kind of topics do you want to do, or who are those you want to like focus on talking to. I know everybody have a talent. Everybody has something up there. So start. Go on, write your resolution, write that new things you want to do in this year 2021. Write it down. Then once you write it down, try to learn something new every day. Something new every day. And it's going to help you. It's going to help. It's really going to help you. Stop it. Stop procrastinating. Start now. If you want to start your YouTube channel, start now. All you need to do, if you don't have anything, just you buy the ring light with your camera. You're done. You're starting. Just do what you like doing. I'm just trying to inspire somebody today, because I know I've been in their shoes. I've been procrastinating too, like you. The way you're doing right now, I've been procrastinating. When do I want to start? How do I want to start? You know, but you just have to start. But two things I would like to tell you is, get the clarity of what you want to do. Know your niche. What do you want to do? Do you want to be an inspirator? Do you want to create the content? Do you want to, just what kind of niche is it that you want to go into? Just figure it out. And on a very low budget, a ring is about less than $20, I guess. Get a ring and you're done, and you're good. So that's just what I would tell you right now, because I know it's not easy. We all the fear is just there. How do I want to start? How can I do this? But you can do it. You can there. You can. Just go ahead and do it. Just get a ring light. If you don't have ring light for now, make sure you whenever you want to work, or maybe there's sunlight, go close to your window. Bring your phone out. Just record something. Put it there. Before you know it, you start developing the courage. You start getting that confidence to sit in front of camera. You start getting your things one after the other. Rome wasn't built in a day. You get it? Rome wasn't built in a day. You do it gradually. You start getting your camera. You start getting the stand, everything. Before you know it, you're there, baby. You're there. So start today. Stop procrastinating. Be clear. Have the clarity of what you want to do, the niche you want to go into, and then you start making your research. As you go on, you start making the research, and then you'll be getting better and better and better every day. Start. It took me a while to start my YouTube page. I've been contemplating about starting. How am I supposed to do it? Am I going to do it? How is it going to work? My day. The sky is a stepping stone. YouTube is a very big platform that is welcome to everybody. No matter when you start, your space is always there. Believe me. Whatever you have as a talent, there's always a space for you. So whatever you have as a talent, you will always find a space to showcase it. So whatever you have that inspired you, that you love to do, have the spirit. I'm here today talking to you. It's just the spirit, because I have determined that I want to start this thing. I've been procrastinating for years now, and look at me today. I've started. So just start. I know I have something I want to give to people. I have it. I have something I want to teach people. I have something people want to know about. So it took me a while, but here I am right now, doing what I love to do. Face your fear, start something new. So today's speech is just about inspiring. I just want to inspire you to start. Be clear. Be clear. Know what you want to do. Know what niche you want to be on YouTube. Make research, see what is trending in your niche, figure it out, bring it together, and then you do something. You have it up here. God has actually created us differently. We are created in a different form, with different characters, with different talents, with different creativity. People won't see it if you don't showcase it. And the only place to showcase it is YouTube. So if you're that person that has been procrastinating like me, like moi, start today. As you can see, I am here today because I faced that fear to start. And as time goes on, I'm starting to get used to it, getting more comfortable day after day. So just start. Once you start, from one day to the next video, to your next video, to your next video. Before you know it, there. You just see that you're making videos, and after you're getting comfortable with it. And that is it. You know, just that. No matter if you have a business and you want to showcase your business, bring it on, babe. Some people say, okay, YouTube is so saturated that there's no space for anything. It's a lie. YouTube is a very big platform that even the whole world is on it. Nothing is still standing. You know why? Because we have different talents. We are blessed. We are different people with different talents. There was a day I was searching, making some research on YouTube before I start my own channel. And I bumped into this, the title I put how to do something, and I bumped into this guy who was actually speaking Hindu. I think Hindus, is it Hindus they call Indian? Hindus, right? He was actually speaking it. He was an Indian guy speaking, the Hindus. I was like, okay. But because what he was doing was what I was looking for, then I had to take my laptop. I put it by me. I don't know that's what he was saying, but because I've watched other people what they were doing and all that, but I got stopped. But with him, he was able to do it step by step, and I had to take my laptop on my lap, and I didn't like listen to what he was saying because I don't understand what he was saying. So I only like put my laptop on my lap, and on my phone I was now just following what he was doing, and I got it. So sometimes don't say language is a barrier. If you don't even know how to speak English, speak something. My dear, just speak something. We are not all blessed, we're not all blessed with Queen's English, with the pop English. Just speak something. You have so we say you have accent, say something, right? So it's just you starting, right? And it's not only YouTube too, it's other things. Business, venture into one. Look for something to do. If you want, if you're type that likes business, you can just do something. And to all my pretty beautiful people who are willing to start their own wig making business in this year 2021, I'm speaking to you. This video is actually for you, people like you two who have that dream to start something new in 2021. Wig making, coming into the beauty business, coming to the hairstylist business. You want to start your own wig company, you want to start making wig, you want to learn how to make wig. Even if you can just learn it for your own personal use, and you can also learn it to start selling one, making it for people. If you're in school, you're a graduate, you're an undergraduate, you're still in college, this is for you. You can always make little business from that. So the tutorial is going to start from my next video, which is going to be a step by step. I'm going to do like step by step, video by video, so you can digest it little by little, like little by little. You want to digest it as it comes. You can look at it and step by step, and you'll be able to catch, do something, catch that thing, And I'm sure by the time you watch the video, because I'm going to do it like batches, like in parts, part 1, part 2, like that, till we finish a complete wig like what I'm wearing. This is actually a 5x5 straight, silk straight, silk straight 5x5, 20 inches. So, and as you can see, you can also learn. We're still going to do all that. So, and I have my website too, Bidiana Hair, where I sell hair bundles. I sell custom made wigs too, so you want to check that out. So it's actually going to be at the link. So also okay, I have in my website too, you can get the glueless wig too. It's there. So many things happening. So this is 2021. We're gonna let's do it, baby. Let's rock it. You know, like we rock it. So we're gonna do it like step by step, one thing at a time, and we're gonna get there. You know, we see we're gonna get there. So we're gonna get there. We just let's have focus. Let's start one step after the other. So I implore you, right? This is just, you know, that's just like a Sarah, but seriously, if you are thinking of doing something, start now. This is January. Start now. Don't wait till February. Don't wait till February. Start now. Start now. It's never too late. Right? It's never too late. All YouTube influencers that you see there, they started one day. Face the fear. You see me? I faced my fear right now, and I tell you, it's gonna be a long day. It's gonna be fun, right? It's gonna be fun. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And I hope I'm able to like inspire somebody, you know, somebody. I've been able to inspire you. I'm gonna say a lot, you know, I'm gonna like inspire people a lot, because I'm gonna show you that how you want to start like gradually, and you get there. First of all, the first thing is learn how to make the wig you want to sell. Whatever business you feel you want to sell, just go online, you know, check, make research, get something doing. If you're in college, you can also do it. You can help yourself too. So I'll see you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Catch you up. Bye.